Good day, fellow traders, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to share a very important strategy, so stay tuned and then let's see how it goes. Okay, in the video you watched before the start of this video, it showed you what the strategy is going to be about. It is about how to trade spikes, taking advantage of the gaps presented in boom and crash. Now, in boom and crash, gaps only usually occurs when spikes occur. So when the market spikes and it forms a gap, but when these gaps occur, it gives you an idea of what price is going to do at a point in time within the gap. Now, trading these gaps, there is only one tool that I know can work and I recommend that you use. That is the Fibonacci retracement tool. Now, those that don't know Fibonacci, Fibonacci is actually one of the ancient scientists, Leonardo Fibonacci, and he was a mathematician, and he came up with the Fibonacci numbers. The Fibonacci numbers are usually formed by combining the last two numbers to form the next number. So assuming we have 1, then 2, then the next number is going to be 3, because you are going to add 1 and 2 to make it 3. Then the next number is going to be 5, because you're going to add 2 and then 3 to make it 5. Now in trading, or pioneer traders designed the Fibonacci retracement extension, time zones, and other tools that are very important in trading. Now in boom and crash trading, what we are going to need here is only the Fibonacci retracement tool, and we're going to use it when we identify a gap in the market. Okay, so anytime you see a gap in the market, you should do this. Now let's start somewhere from here. Now anytime you see a gap like this, now remember that this usually works a lot when you are trading boom 1000 and then crash 1000. So do not use it on the other boom and crash instrument. This is specifically for boom 1000 and crash 1000. Those are the instruments that it works very well with. Now you come to your object. The object, you can come to add objects. Then you go to Fibonacci. So you're going to see Fibonacci retracement, Fibonacci time zones, fan, arcs, channels, and Fibonacci expansion. What we need is a Fibonacci retracement tool, and that is at the top there like that. And so you tap on it like this. Now we are dealing with boom now. Now for boom, you are going to draw the Fibonacci retracement by starting from the top and ending it at where the gap ends. So from here and ending it at where the gap ends like this, and you have drawn your Fibonacci retracement tool. Now let us see this. Now once you draw your Fibonacci retracement like this, now you're going to identify 2 points on the Fibonacci. It is 38.2 and then 23.6. okay, because once takes cover up to this level in the gap, the market is supposed to spike. It is supposed to spike. And so you're going to look at it from here, and then you put the line at the 38.2 level. You put another line at the 23.6 level. So you're going to put, you can make it pending orders. So you put like this. You put pending orders around 38.2, as well as pending orders around as well as pending orders around 23.6. And anytime market touches this zone or price touches this zone, you are supposed to experience a buy for boom. So this is it. Now let's use another example. So this is another gap, and the first thing you are going to do is you select your Fibonacci tool here. Because it is boom, you are going to draw from the top to the bottom of the gap, and you are going to identify two areas. What are the areas? The Fibonacci 38 and then Fibonacci 23. So this is Fibonacci 38 and then Fibonacci 23. In order not to miss your trades, you are going to use pending buy orders. Okay, and so you are going to put one order at 38.2 and another order at 23.6, and then you can put your stop loss right beneath the previous low, like that. And as you can see, once the market touched 38.2, it spiked. It didn't even come down to the 23.6 level, so it spiked, as you can see over there. Our last example for boom is this one. And so you take your Fibonacci object right after the gap, and then you draw from the top to the end of the gap like this. And I said you are going to identify two specific areas, that is the Fibonacci 38.2 and 23.6 respectively. So this is it, and then that is it. Anytime price comes back to these areas, you are going to experience like this. Yes, even in this case, price spiked. The price spiked before hitting the 38.2 level, so this becomes invalid because this is a 38.2 level and price spiked before it, so it becomes invalid. But look at, if you should have entered, if price should have touched the 38.2 level, that means that it would have spiked to the 6292.6420 price point. Let's identify our last gap, and then very good. This is a very good example. And so you come here, you take your Fibonacci retracement tool, then you draw from the bottom to the top like that, from the beginning of the gap to the end of the gap like that. And so from here you can see that once price touched the 23.6 level or the 38.2 level, it gave spikes just like that. So this is a secret that I've given you, and you should use it carefully to make money with Derive. Okay, this is a very big secret I've given you. So the next time you see a gap, you don't need to ignore it, you need to trade it. And remember, this works mainly for boom 1000 and then crash 1000. Now you can actually join my free channel on Telegram to receive free signals, and then you can also subscribe to this channel. Okay, and stay tuned because big things are coming this year. All right, okay, I'll catch you in my next video. Thank you.